Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. Draw the flower like this. Here I am drawing Mother's Day card. Draw the one more flower like this. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Here again repeat one flower. Draw the petals like this. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Draw the line like this. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Draw the flower like this. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens or anything? Comment on comment section. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Draw the leaf shape like this. Here I am drawing heart shape. Draw the flower like this. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Here I am drawing flower. This is small flower. Draw the flower like this. Draw like this. Now I am using pink color brush pen to this flower. I am shading with pink color brush pen. Fill like this. This is light pink color highlighter. Fill this middle space with light pink color highlighter. This is light blue color sketch pen. If you want, you can use brush pen, color pencil or anything, whatever you want. Same color repeat here. Now I am using light blue color pencil. Fill this middle space with this color. This is pink color brush pen. I am shading with pink color brush pen. Fill like this. This is pink color highlighter. Now I am using yellow color brush pen. Fill this space with yellow color brush pen. Now I am using red color sketch pen. Fill like this. Draw the lines like this. I am using black color sketch pen for this. Here I am using red color sketch pen. Fill like this. Follow me on Instagram, link given in the description box. Now I am using green color brush pen. Draw the outline like this in middle of this leaf design. Fill like this. Please like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. If you want any type of border designs or cover page designs, comment on comment section. Here I am using light green color highlighter. Fill this middle space with light green color highlighter. Fill like this. Now I am using black color sketch pen for happy word. This is mother word.
Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing.
Draw like this. This is day
Thank
word.
you so much for watching.